This is record take 2.0.-62.
I'm hot.
You're hot, he's hot. I'm Rob. Welcome back to another episode of It's a Dyer Thing.
If you're riding like this, you're good.
Yeah.
As soon as you start riding like this, I think you might see a little bit. But
Yeah, okay. Alrighty. Do you want to do your headset on your thing? No, not right now.
not
We'll
right
just do this.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, welcome back to another episode of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob and Sage here. As you can see, yes, we are back again.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord. All right, so this is one of the biggest obstacles that we have to kind of cross. And it's just, it's not that bad, but when you got street tires with a little bit of off-road capability and all 100% street tires, running on this stuff is okay. Running in that is not. So we just kind of made a makeshift bridge here with some logs, which we are going to attempt to cross.
Fingers crossed.
You're going first?
No, you're going first.
No, you can go first.
Okay, I'll go first.
You go first. It's going to be easy for you. You just kind of go, right? Don't stop and just roll. And then I will go right after.
You want me to go now?
Yeah, come on. Yeah, just nice and easy. We'll see what it's like, right? So, you're good. You got this, man.
I don't trust it, though.
It's fine. It'll be fine. Just slowly. Just take your time up to it, right? So you don't slide off into the side, right? So just kind of go. You got knobbies.
I got knobbies, but I got fear.
But you got fear? Okay, so I can see exactly what happened there. It, you made a mess. Okay, so it sunk in a lot more right there.
Okay, I'll stop this here, and I'll come help.
Yeah, because I think I will require a little bit of assistance trying to get past the mucky part. Going up, I won't be so bad. I just don't want to sink in, right?
All right.
So, all right. Let's do this. There's only one way to do this. It's the Dyer way.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice and easy.
Oh, God.
Huh?
Oh, God.
No, it's all here. It's fine.
As soon as you get at that top there. Oh, you made it. Kinda.
Yeah, it just started to go back out on the back end, so.
Well, yeah, it's all mushy now.
Huh?
So we're going to have to do it again.
That's fine. Okay. We are here at the hidden super duper. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, look, they've been grading it again, eh?
No.
Huh?
No.
Yes, he has.
Are you sure?
Yes, because that thing has moved.
Oh. Cool.
I swear, yeah, because look, you can see all the graded marks. So I don't know what his goal is or the person's goal is to do.
Keep it maintained.
I guess to keep it from the grass growing or what? I don't know. Whew. We're going to hit that trail over there or what?
That one first. Let's just mess around on this.
Oh, okay. That is a really smart thing to do. See, you can see that whoever it is has come back here, unless it's those guys from yesterday.
What is it? Is that those guys are hinching it? Whoever here is hinching it to their trailer.
Yeah, eh?
They're just doing it whenever they got time.
Something, right? Somebody's doing something. Because you can see they coming in here. Oh, there's a trail there too. So they're just kind of hooking it away at the trails and stuff. So this is now super duper Hidden Valley Trail, something I don't know, that we found just by fluke as we were riding through a couple of the dirt roads here up northern Pickering. It's kind of like an old entrance trail to some old cabin in the woods. Ooh, anyways, let's check it out and see what it's like, man.
Like this.
What are you doing? Just go there at the tree. Nobody's here.
But it's bright.
So what?
So if someone's there, they're going to see me.
Oh my God, just yank it out and do it. Oh my God.
I can't with you talking.
Off? Oh man. Whatever. Did you not go? So what the hell? Pee on the side of the road, will you? Just go. Press the button. You're not connected.
Yeah.
Like this? Yeah, the angle looks good.
As long as you're not doing that, you're fine.
As long as I'm not doing that. All right. Okay, let's check her out. Nice and slow. Just so we can watch the ground, what it's like. We should always try and attempt to go back the other way too, right? So. Nice and slow.
Make sure that there's no cars.
Huh?
Make sure that there's no cars.
Oh, yeah. I don't think there's anybody that comes through here, Mike.
Okay.
I think this is probably like a pathway to a cabin or something like that that's up here, which is more known for winter or fall time or whatever it may be, right? And not midsummer. I don't know. See, I don't even know what the front entrance is like if it's all barricaded off. It probably says like no bikes, no nothing, and we're still in here like this. But sir, officer, we took a side trail. We didn't know, right? Yeah, because it just basically comes to a U-turn here, right? So yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
Some odd, weird place. I don't know. See, then there's trails here like this, right? The Pioneer Cabin. I do know. Oh, there's like picnic tables and all sorts of shit here. Weird. Oh, because that's the Pioneer Cabin.
Fucking touch the children cabin.
Touch the children cabin. Come here. I wonder what's in there. Come in here, little
Bike.
boys. Yeah.
No traction.
That was a trail there.
Alright.
Alright, let's just go up the road.
Yeah.
Get back up onto the trail or go all the way up to the end of the road and see. Nice.
Just gonna take it easy this way back.
Yeah, that's what. Take it easy until you get around the first corner.
I overshot this one.
Yeah, and it's the next one that has gravel.
There was gravel?
Gravel right here. Yeah, I skidded right through this.
I see it.
It's right here. You're such a hooligan. Go for it, buddy. Ah. Oh.
I gotta watch for cars, remember?
Yep. Left. We gotta go left. Wasn't this? Oh.
Dude, I had no
traction.
No
your feet were like.
Yeah.
That was fun. Rock and roll, mate. And bring it in. And bring it in. That's fun. All right, so we're gonna head back on 7, and we gotta go do the wash.
Yeah.
because it's now 5:50, almost 6 o'clock. So
Yeah.
I'm
just gonna take it easy.
Yeah, we'll just take our time going back, right? So.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that concludes another edit of It's a Dyer thing with Sage and the Super XT. I don't know, man. For the most part, that bike is pretty cool. Man, it works really, really good. So, for what you do, for what we need and stuff like that here in Toronto region, like an XT is just perfect, right?
Slow down a little bit. XT.
Nice.
Which way, right or
we gotta go right. Yep. All right. Well, again, yep. Thank you very much for. We're good. Yeah, here you go up front. We got to stay on this road for a bit, anyways, right? So. Yeah. Like I said, thank you very much for tuning in for another episode of It's a Dyer thing. Sage and Rob signing off. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed, thank you very much for your subscriptions. Again, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. If you give us a comment, we will totally like that. Again, I got some big news coming up. As you all may or may not know, I just purchased up a new toy. And so I got to reveal that one. We'll do that sometime this week, right after work. Oh, most people know, right? Anyways, if you don't know, I got an MT10. So I moved off from an MT09 to now an MT10. So we got a little bit of a build stuff to do on that one. And for the most part, yeah. Peace, be good, be safe, have fun. Y'all take care. Stay in touch. Absolutely love the comments. Until next time. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Attaboy. Let's ride off into the sunset. Hunt that thing, hump it. Oh, there's the horsies. All righty. Oh my God, I'm out of breath.